In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off profile discovery and visibility on LinkedIn directly on LinkedIn's interface. Understanding who can see your profile information is crucial, especially in a professional networking environment where privacy preferences can greatly affect your online presence. By the end of this guide, you'll have the knowledge to control your profile's visibility with ease. First, you'll want to access your LinkedIn account. Simply open your browser and go to linkedin.com. If you're not already logged in, enter your email or phone number along with your password and hit the sign in button. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on your LinkedIn homepage where you start your journey to adjust visibility settings. Next, direct yourself to your LinkedIn profile. At the top right of the page, you'll see your profile picture or icon. Click on that icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From there, click on the View Profile option. This step is straightforward but important as it ensures you're accessing the correct settings tied to your account. Once you're on your profile page, pay close attention to the top right again. You're going to click on Settings and Privacy. This section is your go-to for all things related to your account's configuration, from managing your account settings to controlling your privacy options. It's a central hub for personalizing your LinkedIn experience. Now you'll want to find the Visibility tab. Look for it in the left-hand menu within the Settings and Privacy section. This tab deals with who can see your activity and information on LinkedIn, making it crucial for customizing your experience and privacy on the platform. Then click on Profile, Discovery, and Visibility off LinkedIn. You're inching closer to your goal now. This option directs you to the place where you can tweak visibility settings that control how your profile appears or doesn't appear beyond the LinkedIn network. The final step is simple yet impactful. Turn off profile visibility outside LinkedIn. This option effectively minimizes who can access your profile information when they are not signed into LinkedIn, bolstering your control over who sees what. Just toggle the switch to turn this setting off. You can always come back and change it if necessary, offering flexibility along with privacy. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully managed your LinkedIn profile's discovery and visibility settings. This action empowers you with the ability to craft your LinkedIn presence according to your preferences, letting you network and connect on your own terms. Thank you for following along with today's video. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing for more tips like this one. Remember, your privacy is in your control.